Gotta keep on keeping on is what a good friend said. Never let the bad ones in, they'll only wreck your head. You gotta try sometimes in life, even if you're bound to fail. And when your ship comes in, make sure you're there when it sets sail. And I've got good intentions, you know I have. And I've got good intentions, oh you know I have. Well, I know it's good advice, but really what's the point? No one ever found their way by doing what was right. Do you really think of me as someone who needs help? 'Cause you're just full of a good toy for someone else. And I've got good intentions, you know I have. And I've got good intentions, you know I have. Oh, you know I have. And don't tell me about the road to hell, I already know. I've been dodging it for so long, now there's nowhere I can go. Think I need your help again, will you please lend a hand? Think I need that sweet advice, even though before I said that I've got good intentions, but that's all I have. And I've got good intentions, you know I have. And I've got good intentions, I swear I have. I've got good intentions, oh you know I have.